After I built my hyper-lapse turntable, my friend told me, "Dude, it's great! Can you make one for me as well, please? Only that I don't have GoPro, I have a mobile phone." And I was like, say no more. I quickly designed and 3D printed a couple of parts to hold the mobile phone and started the assembly of a prototype. The idea is that you put your mobile phone between the clamp arms and the distance between them can be set with the shims. I've printed 3 shims, 1mm thick, 2mm and 4mm. If you know base 2 numeral system, you'll quickly find out that I can space the clamp up to 7mm with 1mm increments. But then you must add another 4mm for the L bracket, and that turned out to be not the greatest idea. I measured my phone just to be sure that everything will fit. Then I pressed the nuts and checked whether the assembled clamp is neither too tight nor too loose. So far so good. As I've noticed earlier, having the nut pockets was not a good idea. I've printed the clamp arms without them. I've assembled the holder with L bracket now. I've added 3mm spacing, which is optimal for a 10 to 11mm thick phone. The other parts were the same as for my previous turntable. So let's assemble it. I had a small mishap while pressing the threaded inserts. Yes, I really need to find that other soldering iron. With all assembled, now it's time for a visit to the local convenience store for the egg timer. Imagine, I've picked up the last one they had. I thought to myself, this will be so unique that it should be as valuable as a Fabergé egg. I decided to remove the hammer so the turntable finishes a cycle, it won't disturb the whole neighborhood. I shouldn't have done it. I basically broke the mechanism. First, the main spring got somehow detached from the shaft, then the balance spring bent, and it was all beyond repair for me at this stage. Quick decision. I'll give him the previous egg timer mechanism and I'll come up with something else for me. And this is the finished product. Before I wrap it up, I'll share a trick with you for designing horizontal holes for 3D printing. I've seen it in one of the maker's Muse videos, and you simply make a hole a pointy on the top. This way you don't need supports when printing it. Now, was my friend happy with his turntable? You be the judge. But before handing it over to him, I did some testing. Have a look. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. All parts are available on my Thingiverse page, links are in the description. And please don't forget to like and subscribe.